Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special story for you, how a simple visit to a coffee shop changed my life and helped me improve my English. If you want to learn English but feel shy, this story will inspire you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple English stories. Now let's get started. One bright morning, I decided to go to a coffee shop. I wanted to practice speaking English, and I thought a coffee shop would be the perfect place. The name of the coffee shop was Happy Beans Cafe. It was small but cozy, with warm lights and soft music playing in the background. The smell of fresh coffee filled the air, and many people were sitting at tables, chatting and working on their laptops. I walked to the counter feeling a little nervous. I saw a friendly-looking barista with short brown hair and a big smile. She greeted me. "Hello, welcome to Happy Beans Cafe. What would you like to order?" I took a deep breath. This was my chance to practice English. "Hello, I want a cup of coffee, please," I said. "Sure, what kind of coffee do you like? We have black coffee, cappuccino, latte and espresso," she said kindly. I thought for a moment. I wanted something sweet but not too strong. I like sweet coffee, maybe a latte." "Great choice. Do you want sugar in it?" she asked. "Yes, please. 1 spoon of sugar." "All right. Would you like it hot or iced?" I smiled, happy that I understood her question. "Hot, please." She nodded and started making my coffee. While waiting, I looked around the shop. There were people reading books, some typing on their laptops, and others having conversations. After a few minutes, the barista placed a cup in front of me. "Here you go. 1 hot latte with sugar. Enjoy your coffee." "Thank you," I said, taking the cup. I found a small table near the window and sat down. The coffee was warm in my hands. I took a sip. It was delicious. As I sat there, I listened to people talking. Some spoke very fast, and I couldn't understand everything, but I tried. I took out my notebook and wrote down some new words I heard: menu, order, receipt, and customer. I wanted to use these words, so I looked at the menu again. I whispered the words to myself. "I want to order a latte. I am a customer. This is the menu." I smiled. Learning English was fun. A few minutes later, an old man sat at the table next to me. He looked kind, with white hair and round glasses. He smiled at me. "Hello, do you come here often?" he asked. I hesitated for a second, then answered, "No, this is my first time." He nodded. "Oh, I come here every day. I love coffee. What about you?" I was a little shy, but I wanted to practice English. "I like coffee too, but I also want to improve my English." He laughed kindly. "That's great. Talking is the best way to learn. What is your name?" "My name is Anna," I said. "And you?" "My name is Mr. Thomas. Nice to meet you, Anna." "Nice to meet you too, Mr. Thomas," I said, feeling more confident. Mr. Thomas started telling me about his life. He was a retired teacher and loved books. "I used to teach English," he said. I was excited. "Really? Can you help me with my English?" "Of course." "Let's start with simple conversation. Tell me about your favorite food," he said. I thought for a moment. "I like pizza. I like, cheese pizza the most." "That's great. But you can also say, 'My favorite food is pizza. I love cheese pizza the most.'" I repeated after him. "My favorite food is pizza. I love cheese pizza the most." "Perfect," he said. "See, you are already improving." From that day, I went to the coffee shop every morning. I talked to the staff, I listened to people, and I practiced new words. Every day, my English got better. One day, the barista said, "Your English is improving. You speak very well now." I smiled. I was happy. The coffee shop was not just a place for coffee. It was a place where I learned, grew, and made new friends. From that day, I made it a habit to visit Happy Beans Cafe every morning. Each day, I ordered something new from the menu, practicing different sentences. "Can I have a cappuccino today?" "I would like a chocolate muffin, please." "Do you have any green tea?" The baristas noticed my effort and always encouraged me. Your English is improving every day, Anna. Keep going, they would say. I also started talking to more customers. Some were students, some were office workers, and some were tourists. Every conversation was a new opportunity to learn. Sometimes I made mistakes, but no one laughed. Instead, they helped me. One day, a tourist from England came to the cafe. She was looking at the menu with confusion. "Excuse me, do you need help?" I asked. She smiled. "Yes, please. I don't know what to order. What do you recommend?" I was so happy. I could help someone using English. "You can try the vanilla latte. It is sweet and very popular here," I said confidently. "That sounds great. I'll try it. Thank you." After that, we sat together and talked. She told me about London, and I told her about my English learning journey. She said, "Your English is really good. Keep practicing, and one day you can travel anywhere in the world." That moment made me realize something. I was no longer scared to speak English. I was improving, and I felt proud of myself. Months passed, and my English kept getting better. One day, the cafe manager, Mr. Brown, called me. "Anna, we have seen how much you have improved. We have a job opening for a part-time barista. Would you like to work here?" I was shocked. A job? At my favorite cafe? "But my English is not perfect," I said nervously. Mr. Brown smiled. "No one is perfect, Anna, but you have confidence and you try your best. That is enough." I thought for a moment. A few months ago, I was too shy to even order coffee. Now I was having full conversations. I took a deep breath and smiled. Yes, I would love to work here. From that day, I was not just a customer. I was a part of Happy Beans Cafe. I took orders, talked to customers, and helped other English learners. It was the best experience of my life. Looking back, I realized something important. Learning a language is not just about books. It's about using it in real life. The coffee shop became my classroom, and the people became my teachers. Every conversation, every mistake, and every new word made me better. And that's how a small coffee shop became my classroom. Every day I practiced, made mistakes, and improved. And guess what? Now I can speak English confidently. So remember, if you want to learn English, just start speaking. Even small conversations can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing English stories. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.